Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have a special unboxing. So if y'all here to see what's in this here Louis Vuitton bag, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button. Yep, go on and click on that pink subscribe. You click. Okay, I'm going to jump straight into this here unboxing. But before I get into this here unboxing, I did do a unboxing on this here particular item. And I opened the box because I ordered it online. As soon as it came, I did the unboxing. I didn't show my face because I didn't feel like getting dressed. So y'all, it was a lot of noticeable flaws on the particular wallet. Did still film the unboxing, upload that video so y'all can see how the actual piece came, and then do this as a part 2. So that's what I may do, so y'all can understand why I had to take this to the store and return it to get another wallet. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a really quick back end story on this here particular item. Like I said, I originally purchased this on the Louis Vuitton website. I still have the same packaging far as the envelope style packaging, because I don't think it's different versus online and in stores. I did write a little happy birthday. You have your return label, and I also have my Louis Vuitton receipt. Now, the one thing that I did not like was the fact that I did have to pay the Atlantic small tax. You know, I was just doing an exchange, so I'm figuring, okay, we can just exchange it because I want the same thing, but just a different, you know, a different piece. He was like, yeah, we can do it, but you have to pay the taxes. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So yeah, I did have to pay taxes. So if you somewhere and the taxes, like the taxes where I'm at is really cheap. Like I think it's like 6%, that much. Now down in Atlanta, I think it's 8%, or I could be wrong. Let me see if it says the amount. It doesn't say the tax amount, 8%, y'all, but I think it's a little over 8%. So you know, that's a little high. So that's why I don't normally do ship to the stores in the Atlanta area. I would just rather have it shipped to my house, even if I had to wait a few extra days, because like I said, the shipping where I'm at, the tax where I'm at is a lot cheaper. Put that out there. So yeah, I was a little like, okay, I gotta pay what? And I was like, okay, yeah. A while since I ordered from Louis Vuitton. It's been years, over 5 years. I want to say maybe almost 10 years since I purchased from Louis Vuitton. And here is the box. And y'all, I did get a sample of some perfume, because they had this one perfume, because I'm more so, I like a sweet type of smell, and they didn't have any samples for it. So she just gave me this one here. I don't even want to try and pronounce because it's a French name, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. But I'm liking, I may insert a picture of the bottle or the name so y'all can let me know if y'all have it. Do y'all like it as well? It's more like a sweet smell. Here is the box. Well, when it came in the mess, it had this attached to the ribbon. Here is the box. Here is your little dust bag. Let me get I gotta look at the receipt, y'all. I got the RECTO. Let me see. Yeah, she kept that part of the receipt that I got from my online purchase. I think it's the RECTO VERSO. So yeah, you got these here 2 things in your wallet. Well, in the back part. So here's the little wallet that I got you all. I know you like, okay, Miss Tamika, didn't you just get Gucci this and that and that? I did, but it was a little birthday gift. I wanted to see what the hype was, to be honest, because if y'all didn't know, I was having issues with this here Gucci card case. Again, color transfer. So I was like, okay, I want to go ahead and put this up for a little while and just keep it with the pink Gucci I have, you know, like that small pink Gucci, and just keep that with that. So anytime I wear that, I'll just go ahead and use this here card case, because this here thought was going to be like a everyday type of card case for me, because like I said before, I use this here, my key fob, for me to get in and out my apartment building. This, and I just tap the keypad, and it makes it so much easier than me having to grab it out or me leaving it in my car, or you know, whatever the case is. But then I came across this, so I was like, okay, this here, if you didn't know, it has 3 card slots on the back, and then you have a pocket here. Then you also have a side pocket here. Then you have your zipper compartment where you can use this as a wallet. Like if you need to put coins in here, bills in this part, like this here is considered, like, to me, like a small compact wallet. But again, I am just going to be using this to put all my important cards. I may switch this out every once in a while to use this for my keys, because with this here, I can take everything, I can put everything I need in this here key wallet, grab my cell phone, and that's all I would need, versus me having to carry my Gucci card key pouch, then I have to carry my card case, and then I have to carry my cell phone. Because if y'all didn't know, the Gucci key pouch do not have the inside pocket that's attached where you can place some cards. So like I said, that wasn't a deal breaker for me. I said, let me go ahead and try this thing out. And if I didn't mention, this here is made in France. So I got the infamous Louis Vuitton wallet, and this wallet is a little pricey, y'all. Like, it is, but I guess I can see why, because this here wallet, you can use it a lot of different ways. Do decide to do a review on this here wallet, I will let y'all know, or not let you know, I will show y'all different ways you can use this particular wallet. Now when you look at my purse, you're going to see wallet overloads, but I don't really care, because they my little pouches, you know what I mean. I got the Gucci card holder, then I got the Gucci pouch, and then I got this. So yeah, I only have 3 items, because again, I'm not going to be using this. So yeah, I got about 3. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So if y'all have this here particular wallet, let me know down below if you love it. Did you keep it? Did you return it? Or whatever the case is, you know, if this, do you use this as an everyday wallet or whatever? So yeah, let me know down below. Get to click on my subscribe button, and also please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, you all, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.